Good morning, friend. Welcome to the Happiness Reset. Today we're going to talk about something really important, what to do when you're feeling a bit sad or down. Everyone feels sad sometimes. Let's talk about how to turn things around step by step. Sometimes when we feel bad, it's like carrying a big, heavy bag full of worries. It can feel hard to do anything, but the good news is you don't need to carry that bag all day. You can put it down for a little while and take a break. It's okay not to be happy all the time. You can take a timeout day to just rest, and that's perfectly fine. We all have days where we just want to sit and do nothing, even I do. And it's okay to feel that way. But remember, today is also a new chance. You can do something small that makes you smile, even if it's just for a moment. Let's take a big deep breath together right now. When you breathe in, fill up your chest like a balloon and then let it all out. Feels good, right? When you breathe deeply, it helps you feel a little better. Sometimes when we're sad, we don't notice that we're tense. Like when you tighten your hands into fists without thinking. But you don't have to stay tense. You can relax. Now, I want you to think about what makes you happy. Is it a favorite movie or a favorite person? Maybe a fun game you like to play or friends that you love hanging out with? Sometimes when we focus on the things that make us smile, it's like being a flashlight in the dark. It helps us see the good things, even when we're feeling down. Life has ups and downs like a roller coaster. Sometimes we're high up and sometimes we're low, but we're always moving. If you're feeling low right now, that just means you're getting ready to go up again soon. So even if you don't know what's going to make you feel better yet, you can start with little things. Maybe clean up your room a bit or help a friend. You can do things that help others too, like giving your mom or dad a big hug or making someone laugh. The small actions like these can help you start to feel better. If you're not sure what to do, here's a secret. Focus on something small. It could be as simple as gifting yourself to little treats or making your bed. When you start doing little things, you'll feel like you're in charge, and that's a superpower. Now think about something fun to look forward to today. Maybe it's a yummy snack or playing your favorite music. It doesn't have to be something huge. Even a favorite TV show can brighten your day. When you look forward to something, it helps you feel excited, even if you're feeling sad. Here's a fun idea. Imagine your future self, the person you'll be when you're all grown up. What would your future self tell you today? Probably something like, you're stronger than you think. I am so proud of you. Keep going. Even if today feels tough, you can handle this. And you know what? You can. Just by doing little things and being kind to yourself, you're already doing a great job. When you take small steps, one after another, they turn into big steps. And soon you'll feel a lot better. So it may take some time, but every little bit counts. So what will you do today? Maybe you need a rest, and that's okay. Or maybe you're ready to start fresh. Dust yourself off and take on the day. Whatever you decide, remember this: you are special and you deserve to feel good. You can make today a better day, and it all starts with how you treat yourself. So why not do something nice for yourself right now? Maybe have a snack you like or go on a solo date. You deserve it. Thanks for listening to me today. I hope these words helped you feel a little better. And remember, you're never alone. We all have tough days. But you've got this, and tomorrow is another new day. I hope to see you again. Until then, take care and have a beautiful day ahead.